Suspect in Chinese couple's murder elude the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police said that Tommy Thompson, who is wanted for last December's murder of a Chinese couple in Bellevue near Southeast St. Elizabeth, eluded them on Monday during a shootout. Superintendent Dwight Daly, head of the St. Elizabeth Police Division, confirmed that at about 8 p.m. Thompson was spotted as a passenger in a motor car on the Holland Bamboo Avenue main road while the police were conducting an operation. It is reported that Thompson shot at the police and the gunfire was returned. He reportedly ran from the vehicle and was chased by the police. However, he escaped in nearby bushes. Thompson was listed as wanted after the business owners 53-year-old Shai Wong Su and 48-year-old Hai Kang Wong were taken out when gunmen held up the Jojo's supermarket in Bellevue District on December 23, 2021. The three gunmen were caught on closed-circuit television system posing as customers in the supermarket before the taking out of the Chinese couple. Two brothers, Nigel and Nicholas Walters, have since been arrested and charged in connection with the double murder. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.